Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to delete your remove.bg account. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website you need to log in into your account. Once you logged in into your account, you will see this kind of dashboard. You need to tap on your profile icon at the very top side, and when you click on profile icon you will see my account option. When you click on my account option, it will show you this kind of options: credit, plan, billings and all. So you need to click on account setting option, and once you click on account setting option you will see there is a option manage Calidio account. When you click on this option, it will redirect you on a new screen. On the new screen you will see these two options like my services and accounts. You need to click on account settings, and then you will see like there is a option like if you want to delete your account, click here. When you click here, it will redirect you on a screen, new screen, and you can delete your account very easily. Okay, if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and by using this way you can easily delete your remove.bg account. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care.